Hello, and welcome to Learn English Bold. This is the place where you start speaking and listening to English with confidence. Today, you are not just going to listen, you are going to think in English. In this video, you will practice restaurant vocabulary through a slow and easy English conversation. You will follow a short story about Sarah and Tom, two friends who go to a restaurant after a long day. They order food, talk about taste, and share something delicious together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand easily and without stress. So relax and enjoy the story. I also have a small challenge for you. In this video, we will break the story into 2 simple chapters and give you 2 easy questions. If you can answer both, your English is improving faster than you think. In Chapter 1, you will listen to a natural conversation between 2 friends as they arrive at a restaurant and order their food. Just relax, listen carefully, and focus on the main idea. Question 1. Why does Tom almost not go to the restaurant with Sarah? Listen carefully. The answer is in Chapter 1. If you catch the answer, pause the video and write it in the comments. Don't try to understand every word. Just listen for the main idea. Are you ready? Let's begin.
I'm so hungry. We need to find somewhere to eat.
Me too. I haven't eaten since this morning. Let me look around.
Oh, look. There's a restaurant over there. I've never seen that one before.
Where? Oh, I see it. It looks nice. It looks cozy.
Should we try it?
Yes, let's try it. I'm too hungry to...
Me too. Let's go in.
Wow, it smells really good in here.
It does. I'm even more hungry now.
Good evening. Welcome. Table for 2?
Yes, please.
Right this way. Please follow me. Here you are. Is this okay?
Yes, this is perfect. Thank you.
Here are your menus. I'll give you a few minutes.
Wow, there's so much on this menu. I don't know where to start.
Me neither. Let me see. There's pasta, soup, grilled chicken, steak.
Oh, and look at this. There's a mushroom risotto. That sounds really good.
Risotto? What is that exactly?
It's an Italian dish. It's made with rice. The rice is cooked slowly in broth. It becomes very soft and creamy.
Creamy rice. That does sound good. Is it heavy?
Not too heavy. It's rich but smooth. Very comforting.
I think I want something a little different. I see grilled salmon here. I like fish.
Oh, grilled salmon is always a great choice. It's light but very flavorful.
Yes, I think I'll get that. And look, it comes with vegetables and mashed potatoes.
That sounds like a perfect meal. I think I'll get the mushroom risotto.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so.
What can I get for you?
I'll have the mushroom risotto, please.
Excellent choice. And for you, sir?
I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
Perfect. And to drink?
And I'll have a lemon iced tea, please.
Great. I'll bring your drinks right away. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
Great job finishing Chapter 1. Now let's pause for a moment. Why does Tom almost not go to the restaurant with Sarah? Did you catch it? Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. Even one simple sentence is great practice. Now, here is your second question. This one is from Chapter 2. Listen carefully. What do Sarah and Tom decide to share at the end of the meal? Are you ready? Let's continue.
Here you are, mushroom risotto for you, and grilled salmon for you. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. This looks beautiful.
It really does. Wow, look at my salmon. It looks perfectly cooked.
And my risotto, it smells amazing. The mushroom smells so earthy and rich.
Should we start?
Yes, let's eat. This is wonderful. The rice is so creamy. It melts in my mouth.
Is it good?
It's really good. It's warm and rich and very comforting, like a hug in a bowl.
A hug in a bowl. I like that. How is your salmon? It's delicious. It's very tender. The outside is slightly crispy, but the inside is soft and flaky.
Flaky? What does that mean exactly?
Flaky means it comes apart easily in small, soft pieces. Like this, see?
Oh, I see. Yes, that looks perfect. Is the flavor strong?
Not too strong. It's light and a little smoky. The lemon on the side makes it fresh. And the mashed potatoes are so smooth and buttery.
That sounds really good. Can I try a little?
Of course. Here, try some salmon.
Thank you. Oh wow, you're right. It's so tender. And the smoky flavor is wonderful. I love it.
Right? It's really good. Can I try your risotto?
Yes, of course. Here, try this.
Oh, this is so creamy, and the mushroom flavor is so deep and rich. I can taste the butter, too.
It's one of my favorite flavors. Mushrooms, butter, and cream. Together, they are perfect.
I might order this next time. It's really special.
And the best part is, it's still hot. I love hot food.
Me too. There's nothing worse than cold food at a restaurant.
Exactly. This is perfect. The temperature, the flavor, everything.
Sarah, I am so glad we came here tonight.
Me too. This was such a good idea. I almost said I was too tired to go out.
I'm glad you didn't. This meal is worth it.
Agreed. Tom, can I try your mashed potatoes too?
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, these are so good, so smooth and very buttery. I love them.
They're simple but perfect. Sometimes simple is the best.
That's true. Good ingredients cooked well. That's all you need.
Exactly. Should we order dessert?
Oh, I want to, but I'm very full.
Me too. I'm almost full, but let me see the menu. Oh, they have chocolate lava cake.
Chocolate lava cake? Oh no, I cannot say no to that.
Should we share one?
Yes, let's share. One between two people is perfect.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. How is everything?
Everything is wonderful, thank you. Could we also get one chocolate lava cake to share, please?
Of course. It comes with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on the side. Is that okay?
Yes, that sounds perfect.
I'll bring it right out.
Oh wow, look at that. The chocolate is flowing out.
That's why it's called a lava cake. The center is liquid chocolate, like lava from a volcano.
That is such a good name. Here, let's eat it together. The chocolate is so warm and rich, and the ice cream on the side is cold and sweet. Hot and cold together, it's amazing.
It really is. The contrast is perfect. Warm cake, cold ice cream, they balance each other.
I am so happy right now.
Me too. This was the perfect ending to a long day.
Great job! Now, this is the final question, and it is very important. Because when you talk about food and taste, you start thinking in English. Let me ask you one more time. What do Sarah and Tom decide to share at the end of the meal? Take your time. Did you get it right? If you got it, write your answer in the comments. Even one simple sentence is great practice. In today's story, you learned many useful words. Risotto, creamy Italian rice dish. Flaky, soft and falling apart easily like cooked fish. Tender, very soft and easy to chew. Smoky, a flavor that tastes like fire or smoke. Lava cake, warm chocolate cake with liquid chocolate inside. To share, to divide something between two people. Contrast, two different things that work well together. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories to help you improve your listening and speaking step by step. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel, you can also become a member. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care and keep practicing. Bye.